How do people make money in the blockchain ecosystem? And trust me, it is not what you think. Because let's be honest, between me and you, the first reason anybody enters into this ecosystem in the first place is because they want to make money. I want to make money. You want to make money. Nobody's thinking, oh, how do I buy Bitcoin just because I love the technology? No, they want to make money. But now, here's the problem. Most people they come in thinking, "Oh, I'll just buy this coin. It's going to pump. I'll cash out and be the richest person in the world." But it doesn't necessarily happen that way, right? And they end up losing money. They get stuck in holding coins that they don't even understand. So, here is the real question. How do people actually make money in this ecosystem consistently? That's the word, because it is not what you think. Let's start with the obvious one: trading, buying low and selling high. To someone, it sounds really simple, but in reality, trading is one of the hardest ways to make money in this ecosystem. Why, you may ask? Well, obviously, because the market is emotional. Prices move fast, news changes, and everything much so like this overnight. And most people, they are not trading with a plan. They are trading based on either it's Twitter hype or the Telegram groups they're in, or the news that, oh, this coin is going to 10x. And let's be real, buying because someone said, oh, this is the next big thing, it is not a strategy. Like, even experienced traders, like, they lose money for sure. When I wanted to try in my time too, I lost money and I ran away for my life. So, yes, you can make money from trading. It is risky, but smart people are doing it differently. This is the part that nobody talks about enough. The real way people actually make money in this ecosystem. Because Web3 is not just about the crypto market, it is a full industry in itself. Just like any other industry, it has jobs, it has opportunities, it has income streams. So now I want to break it down for you. What are the top ways you can actually make money in this ecosystem? One, Web3 jobs. Now, these are not just for developers, because if you're building apps on networks like Ethereum and Stellar, there are people that are designers, social media managers, community managers, even writers and product manager. These are all people that are earning on salaries in dollars remotely. No need for relocation, no need for visas, just their skills helping them make money. Number two, we have the airdrops. I know, the free money that everybody will talk about. But even in the name of being free, airdrops are rewards, and they are usually given to early users of platforms or products that are launched early and then rewarded later in tokens on that platform. So some people may have obviously made really serious money from this. But here's the key: it did not just happen by luck. They positioned themselves, and they positioned themselves early. They tested the platform when it was new. They stayed active in the ecosystem and community, and they understood where attention was going. Three, which is maybe like me, content creation. I am not just here making content for you because I want to. Oh, please. If you know how to explain like crypto breakdowns in simple forms, if you hop on Twitter threads, YouTube videos, TikTok breakdowns as a content creator, these are helping audiences, right? And in return, you get sponsorships, partnerships, and paid collaborations from different brands. And you don't need to know everything, you just need to know what you are actually explaining and explain it clearly. Four is the communities and ambassadors. I myself am an ambassador for a network called Stellar. stellar West African ambassadors. Ambassadors are either moderators, they host events, they lead community events as well, they help people within the community, help builders, help with documentation, and they are always active. You represent the brand in itself. It's almost like every other ambassadorial deal. The fifth one is building projects. This, yes, for long term people. So if you're someone who is a developer, you have a founder's mindset, you can create apps, you can launch startups, you can build tools on any network you like, be it Ethereum or Stellar or whatnot. This is not quick money, it's actually building for value. Those are the five major ways you can actually make money in this ecosystem. So, all in all, how does this impact you as an African? Yeah, let's bring it home. Let's take a place like Nigeria. For us, crypto is not just hype, it's opportunity because people are earning in dollars, people are working remotely, and access is global for the jobs. And all you actually need is your phone and a laptop, and you don't need to leave the country to participate. You just need your internet, your skill, and your determination and consistency to actually make it. Because nothing good comes easy. Except maybe you want to be a thief. So let's set our mindset. Let's do some research. Stop asking which coin should I buy and start asking what skill can I build in this space? Because the people really making money in this space, they are not just trading. They are working, they are creating, just like me, and they are positioning themselves early. The real bag in Web3 is not just in tokens, it's in what you build around it. See you on our next episode. Toodles!
Africa's voice in the digital economy.